moved to Brisbane and noticed there was no takeaway Greek food here. With my father, we decided we'd give it a go and open a shop and bring Greece flavour to Australia. At Yiros, it is pita bread with tzatziki, onion, tomato, meat and hot chips, and it's all wrapped up. At first, people didn't know what a Yiros was. It was like teaching them that it was a lot better than a kebab. Uber Eats was the first platform that we'd work with for deliveries. We chose Uber Eats because we saw the opportunity that we could reach a lot of new customers. Before Uber came along, we pretty much had similar foot traffic to what we've got now, but then we just added the Uber Eats aspect onto it. The most popular is the chicken Yiros lamb combo, the halloumi chips as well, which is very popular, and the snack boxes. People will spend the money when they're just at home, the convenience for them. One of our stores does a third of their sales via Uber. If I was to suggest Uber Eats to another restaurant, I would tell them to make sure that they have the right products on there that travel well. To put your favourite things on there, make sure you get good photos, and everything else should work out.